What's up internet, Victor with PhoneArena here with a review of a very engaging, fun little puzzler with a lot of educational value. This is Typewriter, a game that's available on both Android and iOS for $2.99, and it's a puzzler that allows you to explore the history of fonts, typewriting in a very engaging gameplay with unique visual style and an immersive soundtrack. So what's it all about? Let's find out. Once you start the game, you're instantly immersed in a unique visual style and a world composed of letters of different size and shape. Starting you with caveman writing in the first Gothic font in 1450, you get served small dishes of information about how the humankind evolved its typewriting as you proceed through fairly easy puzzles. The game is not much of a challenge. Instead of a run, it feels more like a Sunday stroll. Some will like it, but hardcore gamers might prefer a bit more effort. The characters you assume control of are two tiny balls that roll left and right and can jump. Controlling them is fairly straightforward and well optimized for a touchscreen. You just tap on the left or right side of the display to make them move in the appropriate direction, and another tap on the opposite side will make them jump. It's all a side-scrolling world, and for every level you have to collect the full collection of letters for a maximum score. But you can continue even if you don't. Spread across the levels are portraits of famous people who have contributed either a font, a typewriter, or another advancement in typography. The levels themselves are composed of elements like the first letterpress machine or the Gutenberg Bible. The letterpress, for instance, is something you see working, and you have to escape its pressure in one of the levels. Ultimately, font names like Didot, Clarendon, the history of French typography, and the arrival of modern pixel fonts all melt together in an engaging story. Typewriter is available on both Android and iOS for $2.99, and all in all we find it a fun puzzler, and we loved its immersive atmosphere and the fun and engaging way that it walked us through the history of fonts, from old to modern. While it's not as challenging as we'd like, we're willing to forgive it this slight flaw and take the game not as much as a challenge as a stroll through history. And we definitely recommend you take this stroll as well.